Today we're learning how to count diagonals in a shape called a septagon, which has 7 sides. Ready to solve it step by step? First, let's understand a septagon. It's a polygon with 7 sides, like a cool 7-sided shape. To find the number of diagonals in any polygon, we use this handy formula, where n is the number of sides. Let's plug in the number of sides for a septagon, which is 7, into our formula. Now let's solve it step by step. Multiply 7 by 4 and then divide by 2. We get 14. So a septagon has 14 diagonals. Great job solving the problem. You discovered a new shape today, the septagon. Did you know it's also called a heptagon sometimes? Cool, right? Then we learned that diagonals are like secret paths inside polygons, connecting non-adjacent corners. And using the diagonal formula is like having a math wand. Knowing this formula can help you with any polygon, not just septagons. In the end, understanding shapes and lines helps in everything from designing buildings to playing video games. Geometry is everywhere. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you learned something new. See you next time.